Welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we will be learning about encapsulation. In our previous lecture, we have learned about abstraction. So let's start. C++ encapsulation. Encapsulation is a process of wrapping of data and methods in a single unit. It is achieved in C++. So it is a process in which we will be wrapping the data, methods and functions in a single unit. And it's only achieved in C++. Combining of states and behavior in a single container is known as encapsulation. So we will be putting all the states and behaviors in a single container, or we can say a class, in which we will be containing all the data and the methods. Let me give you an example. You can see a capsule over here, which represents us as a class. In that capsule, we will be having multiple variables and multiple methods. So we will be putting completely in this class, which means an encapsulation. Encapsulation can be achieved by various methods like public, private and protected. So let's move to code blocks. So let's start coding. So first of all, I will be creating a class because encapsulation will be done in a class. So in this program, we will be calculating a total. So, or we can say a sum. So let me create a class name as sum, in which I will be putting private as integer a, comma b, comma c. So three variables are private. Now I will be creating public. Okay, in public I will be creating a function add. So this is a function. Now we will be defining this function within the class. First of all, cout, enter the value of a and b. Okay. End of the line. Cin, we will be taking the values of a, end of the line. Then we will be taking the value of b. Okay. So then we will be using the operations. A plus b. Cout. Now we will be printing the sum. Okay. So we have defined the function over here. Now outside the class, we will be creating an integer main function. In the main function, we will be deriving the object. So the class name is sum and we will be creating an object s1. Using s1 object, we will be calling the add function. So let's compile and run the program. So we will be running and compiling the program. So you can see it says enter the value a and b, 10 and 12. So the sum is 1024. So what is happening over here? We have created three variables that are private, so no one can access them rather than from the same class functions. So means the variables that are defined inside this classes will be accessed from inside the class member functions or the other variables. So add, here we are taking the values from the users and then we are giving the sum and storing it in C. All these three variables are private and we will be using the object we are calling the add function. So over here we are wrapping the data within the same class. So this is how encapsulation is achieved. Thank you.